Aquarius, hi, welcome to your general tarot reading for August 2021. So this is a general read, will not resonate with all Aquarians out there. I'll start off with a single card from the Oracle deck over here, and I'll move on to the tarot reading after that. So let's get on to the reading. A single card for Aquarius for the month of August 2021. This is a general read for Aquarius 2021. Thanks for joining me, guys. Thanks a lot for the subscriptions and encouraging me to get on with the channel. So, single message for Aquarius. Community. So this is your card, and let's see what that means going forward. So let's get the tarot reading. Tarot reading is divided into three. One is your recent past, second is your current energy, and third is what is coming towards you. Okay, but before that, let's get an overarching message again from the tarot deck over here. Aquarius. 10 of Pentacles. This is your the theme for the reading. Okay, now let's get your past energy for Aquarius. Two cards fell out. The Queen of Swords and the Emperor. Okay, this is your past energy. So Queen of Swords is another air sign, and the Emperor is Aries. So this is your recent past energy. Okay, now coming to your current energy. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is your current energy, and what's coming towards you? What is coming towards Aquarius? Two of Pentacles. All right. So bottom of the deck is the Three of Wands. Three of Wands. So it seems like you're dealing with an Aries most probably, or of another fire sign, or you are assuming the energy of the Emperor. Okay. The Queen of Swords is an air sign like you, a Libra, Gemini and Aquarius. But she's somebody who is very, she's very wise, and her experience has made her very practical, and she's also an able communicator, and she doesn't take nonsense from anybody. So very much like an Aquarius, most probably, or most air signs. So if you have a prominent air placement in your chart, then this could be you, but it generally means that you are assuming you're taking in the recent past. Okay, you've been taking charge of some situation, or you have met an Aries, or working together with them. But I think you're taking charge of your life, and you are cutting away all that was not useful for you. Okay, true to your the card's character. And coming to the the present, it's the Ace of Cups, which is more of an emotional card, a new beginning in love most probably, or something that emotionally quite makes you happy. The Ace of Cups signifies also some sort of a new beginning in what do you call it? It could be something that you are undertaking that you feel quite pleased about. So this could be your current energy. And the Two of Pentacles indicates your future energy, which means that you could be basically balancing. It's a balancing act between two things. Something that Two of Pentacles often indicates that you're smoothly sailing towards sailing or carrying out the business of life, wherein you're balancing things perfectly well. Okay, so this is in your future, and your overall card is the community card. So probably you're working together with people in your group or in your peer group to build a better society, or working for a better cause, and you're managing things well. Okay, but the Ace of Cups and the other cards we need to explain. Let's get the clarification cards over here. Why is the Queen of Swords here? Why is the Queen of Swords here? The Queen of Swords explained by the Moon. So basically you are finding your truth. Whatever has been in the past you have been unveiling some sort of a truth, your intuition, etc., and you know what is best for you, which also indicates why the Emperor is here. Let's see why the Emperor is here anyways. So I think the Six of Cups. So Six of Cups is getting in touch with your past and understanding. I think you're basically understanding your purpose, your higher intentions, or you could be interacting with an Aries who is from the past, who is a childhood sweetheart or friend. But basically this is taking charge of what lies inside of you, and surging ahead. Now the Ace of Cups, please explain the Ace of Cups. Too many cards. Ace of Cups. Why is the Ace of Cups over here? The Five of Swords and the Five of Pentacles. Two fives. It could be a lot of change. And somebody could have treated you badly, okay, and left you feeling as if somebody could have loved themselves too much, to the extent that they can hurt anybody to get what they want, and that has left someone else abandoned. And probably this kind of treatment is toward, this was something that you probably did to yourself. You didn't believe in yourself, and now this is a newfound love that you are having towards yourself, or you did this to someone else, or someone else did this to you, making you feel abandoned. And this has in fact made you think a lot and be this Queen of Swords. So you could have really, you could have felt a lack in you, which you probably is overcoming with some sort of connection to the self. Now why is the Two of Pentacles over here? It could even be abandonment by someone else, which made you feel a lot of lack and self-analysis and self-love, leading to transformation, and Ace of Cups. The Two of Pentacles explained by the Tower. Let's get one more card over here. The Ten of Pentacles again, which is the theme of the reading. So something came crashing down that was not on solid foundation, okay, and this crashing down, this break, or this the structure which came down is basically giving way to the Ten of Pentacles. So whatever hurt you in the past is now moving towards something very beautiful, and you are slowly gaining control over your life, a gain of control, and the Ten of Pentacles, which indicates stability. Let's try and get one more card for the Queen of Swords and the Emperor over here. Why is the Queen of Swords and Emperor over here? The Emperor is somebody who is a boss, and he or she often is a fire sign. Two of Swords. So somebody is guarded over here. The Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords. A new beginning, basically. Somebody was guarded, extremely guarded, not speaking anything, and trying to choose between two situations, and now they have made that choice, and that choice is themselves, or someone else is coming towards you with the Ace of Cups, who is the symbol of the Ace of Cups. Why is the Ace of Cups over here? Let's get one more card. The Knight of Wands. Yeah, so somebody very passionate about you, or you are passionate. Sorry, this is not the Knight of Pentacles. Sorry, Knight of Wands. This is a Knight of Pentacles. So somebody's, you are moving very slowly and calculatedly towards something that you think could lead to your Ten of Pentacles, and or someone else is coming towards you. Why is the Community card over here? The Community is number 8. So number 8 could be important for you, and you could be building something along with people of your tribe. The Wheel of Fortune, the Queen of Cups, and the Five of Cups. So the Queen of Cups is a Scorpio. The Five of Cups leads to breakage. It speaks about some sort of a breakup, not breakage, breakup. So the wheel is slowly turning from a feeling of having been left out and upset to somebody who is full of self-love and happiness. So I think you are getting your support from your peer group, community, etc. And you're finding victory, Aquarius. And this is leading you to your Ten of Pentacles. So why is the Ten of Pentacles over here? Let's get explanation, clarifier for the Ten of Pentacles. It could be a Scorpio that you are approaching, or a Scorpio that is approaching you. And the luck is going to be on your side, possibly. The Nine of Swords. So from the Nine of Swords energy that you are in now, it's going to be Ten of Pentacles. The Tower here is going to lead you to this Ten of Pentacles, and the Sun. The Sun also is here. So the Nine of Swords to the Sun, from anxiety and stress to wellness and happiness, Aquarius. That's what I feel August is going to bring you, the Ten of Pentacles. So it's a beautiful reading, Aquarius, and I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know, and please give me a like, share, subscribe. It will help me a lot. Thanks for joining me. Let's meet again in a short while for the mid-August reading. I'll meet you then. Thanks for being with me again. Bye bye.